Now, a lot of videos out there are promising you how to get Capcut Pro for free and all of that. But if you're like me, I use Capcut, but unfortunately, let's say for some reason or the other, you can't pay for the premium or you can't afford the premium. I've tried a lot of methods. I've tried using modded versions of the app, and they work up to some point, but then at some point it starts saying export error. It can't export. It says can't connect to the internet. Some effects don't connect. So in this video, it's going to be very short. It's going to be very straight to the point. I'll show you two ways that have worked for me. Now, the first way is I'll put a link in the description of this video. Just go down to the link, search for Capcut, or you don't need to search. It's going to lead you directly to Capcut and download it. Now, this will only work for Android phones. It will not work for iOS. It will only work for Android phones. So go down, when you see the Capcut app, just download it. You have to uninstall the one you have originally from Play Store. Just uninstall that one. Then when you download this one, just install it, let it install. You don't need to log in. Now, when you turn on your data and you try to apply stickers and effects and some other things, sound effects, text effects, it may not show, or even text animations. It will say no internet, no internet. Now, the hack I found around this is that if you tap on the search bar right there and the name of the effects that you want to use or the name of the animation, if you search for it, it's going to come up. So that no internet issue that is right, once you just search for it, it will come up and you can use the effect, you can use the animation. Now, the second method that has worked for me personally to get around it is not really that you're getting it for free, but if you can find the Capcut version 11, any version 11, 11.8, 11.6, 11.4, if you can find Capcut version 11, because that was the point where most features on Capcut were free. So if you can find anywhere, just go online and search Capcut version 11 and download it and install it on your phone. You might not get everything for free. You will not get everything for free, but at least back then in version 11, most features on Capcut were free. At least you can export in 2K, 4K. You can do noise reduction. You get many effects, many animations free of charge, and you can export freely. No issues, no need to sign in, and you can make decent edits with version 11. So yes, these two methods have worked for me so far, but I want to hear from you. What methods have you been using, for those of us that cannot pay for Capcut? Well, I mean, if you're a video editor and you're making money from video editing, then why can't you pay for Capcut Pro? So let me hear from you. What have you been using in place of Capcut? What methods have you been using to go around the Capcut's payment, or have you been paying for Capcut Premium? But really, I think the best option is to just pay for Capcut, do the whole year subscription, and use your Capcut for free for a whole year. I mean, Capcut is really nice. So let me hear from you in the comments.